Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook tuna steak in the oven. First, select fresh, high-quality tuna steaks, ideally about 1 inch thick, for the best results. Pat them thoroughly dry with paper towels. This crucial step helps achieve a beautiful sear. While you're preparing the tuna, preheat your oven to a precise 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius, ensuring it's perfectly ready for cooking. This initial preparation sets the stage for a delicious meal. Now, let's infuse some flavor. Season both sides of your tuna steaks generously with sea salt, freshly ground black pepper, and any herbs you love, like dried oregano or thyme. Next, heat an oven-safe skillet, such as cast iron, over medium-high heat. Add about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Once shimmering, carefully place the tuna in the hot pan and sear for just 1 to 2 minutes per side. This quick sear creates a delicious, golden brown crust, locking in the juices. With that beautiful sear achieved, it's time for the oven. Carefully transfer your oven-safe skillet directly into the preheated 400-degree Fahrenheit oven. For a perfect medium rare, bake the tuna for approximately 4 to 6 minutes. If you prefer it more well done, simply extend the baking time by a minute or two. For precision, use a meat thermometer. Aim for an internal temperature of 125 degrees Fahrenheit for a lovely medium rare finish. This ensures your tuna is cooked just right. Once your tuna is cooked to perfection, remove the skillet from the oven. Transfer the steaks to a cutting board, and this is important, let them rest for at least 5 minutes. This resting period is crucial. It allows the internal juices to redistribute evenly throughout the fish, resulting in a much more tender and moist steak. Finally, slice your tuna against the grain into thick, beautiful pieces and serve immediately with your favorite accompaniments, like roasted vegetables or a fresh salad. Enjoy your perfectly cooked tuna.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.